So, separated out the metal plates. There's a number here and here that corresponds to the position on the car. Similarly, each of the rubber feet has a different number, so 39, 40, 45, 46 corresponding to front left, front right, rear left, rear right. Longer sleeves and the shorter sleeves. So the 60mm will go at the front and the 70mm at the back. Resistance there, so I'm not going to force it. I wonder if, because I haven't used it, there's a bit of rust in there. I might need to clean that out first. Say tighten to 2 Newton meters, but I don't have my torque wrench with me, so finger tight for now. Check. So we've got bars, different lengths. I'm going to say this is going to be the front bar, it's going to be the rear bar, rubber strips, end caps. Now they've got arrows already. Bag of bolts. That's the lock system. Bars, 2 bolts for each one. So let's try the front one first. The aero bars, so it's fairly obvious where the broad side is at the front and the narrow side is at the back. And it looks like one adjusts fitting like so. And it also suggests I'm going to need to use the key to adjust the orientation of this. Let's have a look. So there's my mistake. It actually tapers. So I thought because the car's got a big fat arches at the back that the wide ones would be at the back, but they're not. The roof tapers. So fine, I want to be a bit more narrow, so I'll move that to 30 and that to 30, so I'm not almost there. Okay, so I'm just aligning those. Is that as close as they go? I kind of feel like, so it looks like this just abuts it there. Okay, so I'm on 20 there. And about 20 there. So let me align that. I think I might try to start putting some bolts on here. Okay. So yeah, so that is not quite square, so I need to loosen this bolt a bit. And I'll do this one as well. Okay, so we'll start to lifting it a little bit so it's not sitting completely on the rubber foot, and that seems to ease the passing of the bolt, and that's where it wants to sit, flush with the foot pack. So I got the locks which match my existing locks for my bike rack and for my other car, so I'm only going to need one key. Let's have a look. So usually these will go in, line up this bit with the guides there, wiggle and push, locked position, open position. Okay, so there's some little ridges here, make sure they slide in and then push. I will cut these later once I have my bike racks to hand. So these just slide in. They're pretty obvious. It does suggest that you wet them with water, to be fair. And in fact, that's a very good idea. I'm going to go get some water, I think. So, some water with a bit of washing up liquid in it. Ooh, that's so much easier. The bars fitted.